We are a 2-decade-old company. We are a self-funded company. We are manufacturing sample preparation equipments, and though people here are aware of what is sample preparation, but still I would like to highlight a few points on that. See, any analysis that you do, for the analysis, uh, the drawal of sample is very, very important, and then the preparation of sample can be done accordingly. But if the drawal of sample is not done properly and preparation is not done properly, then your analysis becomes paralysis. So we have been working with this ethic, and we have been taking feedback from our customers, all the relevant people, and all the information that we have received has been translated into engineering to create, to manufacture such equipments which are even better than import substitution, cement and mining. Basically the material industry. Then we are capturing 95% of the total Indian market in sample preparation. Very big list. Almost all big cement plants, they are having our equipment. We have our presence there. Then the aluminium and copper industry, then ceramic and glass industry, in R&D institutions. These are the pioneer institutions. We are privileged to have our presence in almost in every institution, including ISM Dhanbad. Then export, this is our global presence. And then others like XRF manufacturers and various. Almost we are capturing the complete spectrum of the country. Yeah. Now I will go to the products. This is for XRF analysis, the sample preparation equipment. I'll show you more of videos so that it gives you a three-dimensional understanding about the equipments. These are the conventional equipments. See, your lab should look like this. The crushing, then the drawal of representative sample from the bulk sample that you have crushed, and then grinding, then pelletizing, and then analysis. Now you can go ahead with the video. Yeah. Conventional system. This is a conventional system which is adapted in most of the industries. We are going to automation also slowly. This is a jaw crusher. This jaw crusher is a wonderful jaw crusher. Can you stop the video? It's a wonderful jaw crusher. When I say this, I mean by the certain features of this jaw crusher. This doesn't require a foundation. It sounds unbelievable, but you can believe. The crusher is there outside, you can see that. It can crush a feed size from 150 mm to 3 mm in one equipment only. You don't need a secondary crushing into some other equipment. You can adjust the gap and do primary, secondary crushing in the same crusher. Then it is integrated with the dust extraction system. If you are running it in your lab, there is no pollution there. It's a pollution-free and cross-contamination-free equipment. The pollution goes to, it makes a cross-contamination. That is also taken care of. Then this is how you can. Now this is a very important equipment, which is called a planetary sample divider. Normally the practice is that people do cooling watering up to rotary sample dividers. They draw a small quantity of representative sample, and the standard deviation is still very high. But with this equipment, we have developed this, and this is our patented machine. We have developed this, and we have taken care of all the constants that are there in other equipments, and this gives you a standard deviation to the tune of 0.05%. So accurate. Feed the material from top, it goes into a hopper and then gets divided into 4 chutes going to the inlet of a screw, 4 screws. And all the 4 screws, they rotate at its own axis and revolve, dropping the material into an annular space. And in that annular space, you take a small slit and you get the collection from 1% to 10%. And that is a very perfect representative sample, and then you can process the sample. After the small quantity of the sample, representative sample is drawn, you can take it to grinding. You can go a little forward fast. You can add various types of binders that you need, boric acid or cellulose powder or TBA, PBA. You can go fast. Now you can put the material in this bowl into this vibratory cup mill. It's a wonderful machine. It grinds the sample from say 3 mm feet size or 4 mm feet size to 300 mesh size within a minute or so, depending on the grindability of the material. After the grinding is over, you can take out the material. Understanding the various constraints of stand-alone equipments and the customer's requirement, because the load is going to be very high in a shift. They need to do at least 80 to 100 samples per shift. So we have also designed the automatic systems where the manual intervention is eliminated almost. The automation's need is that the moment you have a manual intervention, the sanctity of your analysis and your sample preparation goes down radically. So if you go for automatic system, this gives you much better consistency in sample preparation. Now this bowl is kept on a load cell. It weighs exactly 18 or 20 grams of material which you want to weigh, and then it will drop the material into the hopper. These binders in the form of tablets are fed automatically. If you select the 2 tablets, it will feed only 2 tablets. And then this is the grinding unit which is grinding the material. In the meantime, this gripper puts the ring into a swing arm which takes it to the exit of the grinding machine, and the powder material after grinding is unloaded into that and it comes for pelletization. Now this is the cleaning of the system, the grinding system. Now this pellet is made at the preset load, and then this gripper keeps it onto a conveyor. This conveyor will take it to the XRF. If it is into the next room, it will go to the next room also. Now here this another gripper, he puts the pellet onto the XRF machine where you get the analysis done. You can go a little fast on this side. Forward, little more. After the analysis is over, the same gripper will put it back onto the conveyor, and the conveyor will take it to a ring cleaning device where ring will be cleaned. Sir. Okay. And then it goes back to the same magazine from where you have started. So this is the one. I'll take you straight away to the mineral beneficiation equipments. These are various, because this is very relevant for people here. Some characterization equipments like this Stylab sheep shaker, road type sheep shaker, we have electromagnetic sheep shakers, all varieties of sheep shakers including wet sieve analysis unit. This is very useful for the run of mine size analysis where you have big size of pieces to be with our engineering excellence to produce such equipments which are either equivalent to imported equipments or even better than that. We are finding it very tough to float our equipments into this country. The reason, you people are aware of it because you are handling all this, that they go by the L1. And if you produce an equipment which is better than the international quality, it can't be L1. Because your competition is with everybody. So people, those who are at the at the prime or at the apex level, they must think, seeing these things, that what can be done so that you get the proper things that you want. Sir, perfect, sir. We are getting, that is why we are existing here. Wherever we are being competed by the imported equipments only, we are L1. Of course, yes, we are. And that is why we are getting such a huge market, 95%. But when we are competing with imported as well as the Indian manufacturers, there we are not getting L1. That is what I wanted to say.